Hello students, I am Purnima Shukla. Welcome to DG class of Freshers Convent School, Karnataka. Students, in previous class we studied about the transportation in plants. Now there is the another system that is the another part of life processes, that is what? That is excretion. Means after digestion, respiration, the byproduct or waste material is to be going from the body outside the body. So what is excretion? Excretion means removal of harmful metabolic waste from the body through a biological process, and that is called as excretion. मीन्स हमारी बॉडी से वेस्ट मटेरियल का बाहर जाना एक बायोलॉजिकल प्रोसेस के थ्रू, उसी को हम एक्सक्रीशन कहते हैं. इन ह्यूमन बींग्स देयर इज अ स्पेशल सिस्टम प्रेजेंट दैट इज कॉल्ड एज एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम. एंड व्हाट आर द ऑर्गन्स? लेट्स सी हियर. देयर इज दिस इज द एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम. Left renal artery, left kidney, left renal vein, aorta, left ureter, vena cava, urinary bladder and urethra. This is the arrangement of the excretory system. Students, there is the main excretory organ in our body, that is kidney. There is a pair of kidney present in our body. That is present in the abdominal, below the abdominal cavity and the lumbar region. So they are bean shaped, okay, and these kidneys contain millions of excretory units that are called as nephrons. Nephrons are the basic unit of excretory system or basic unit of kidney. Okay, so let's see the functioning. There what happens? The blood is the medium which transported the waste material from the body. You know that oxygen and carbon dioxide is exchanges in our lungs from the blood, and blood carries the carbon dioxide, blood carries the oxygen, as well as blood carries the nitrogenous waste material also, that is urea or uric acid, amino acids, some nitrogenous waste material that are harmful for our body. Some useful materials are also present in blood, so that is used in the cells for the metabolic activities, but the waste material that is transported from our body to the kidney to filter it. So blood is filtered in the kidney. Now the renal artery carries the impure blood that contains nitrogenous waste and going to the kidney. Kidney में urine formation होता है through the nephrons, and then it is collected and going through ureter. यूरेटर से कहाँ पहुँचता है? यूरिनरी ब्लैडर में. यूरिनरी ब्लैडर stored it, and when its pressure exerted here, then it is releases out through urethra. So this is the excretory system. Now in nephrons, how the urine form? Let's see it. In nephrons, see here the diagram. This is the Bowman's capsule, and this is a cup-shaped structure, and inside it there is the bunch of blood capillaries, which is called as glomerulus. Branch of renal artery going from the body to the Bowman's capsule, and which contains impure blood, which carry the urea or uric acid, so nitrogenous waste, and it is going from the proximal duct. From this it is transferred to the here the descending line of the phase loop which is thin than these lines, and these are the branch of renal band. This is the branch of renal band. Here the filter is to urine hand, that from that the excess amount of water is reabsorbed. The useful amino acids and glucose if present there, that is reabsorbed, and then only the waste material is going out and filtered from this and going to the this collecting duct. This collecting duct carries the urine, and from that the some sodium ions, potassium ions that are important for our body, they are also absorbed, and with the help of osmosis it is going to the collecting duct, and then from collecting duct it is collected, it is going to the ureter, and from ureter to the urinary bladder, and there through urethra this releases out. So this is all about the excretion in human beings, excretory system. So what is that? Are you understand it? That is the excretory system of human beings. What happens now if the kidney is failed? किडनी अगर फेल हो जाती है या इंजरी हो जाती है तो क्या होता है? तो फिर जो फिल्टर का जो सिस्टम है दैट बिकम वीक, देन आर्टिफिशियल किडनी का यूज़ किया जाता है. ओके, सो जो डायलिसिस है, आर्टिफिशियल किडनी जिसे कहा जाता है, वो क्या है? Artificial kidneys are what? That is a group of tubular pipelines, and that is covered with the semi-permeable membrane, and from the person which is called as the patient, from that the blood is going to that dialysis, that tubules, and it contains some liquid that is heparin. Heparin is what? That is anticoagulating substance. क्योंकि हमारी बॉडी से ब्लड बाहर जा रहा है, पाइप्स में जा रहा है, तो किडनी तो हमारी बॉडी के अंदर ही होती है, तो वहाँ पर ब्लड की क्लोटिंग का इतना नहीं होता है, लेकिन जब बाहर जाता है पाइप्स में तो वहाँ पर भी ब्लड की ही जैसा जो बॉडी के अंदर हमारा एनवायरनमेंट है वैसे एनवायरनमेंट इसमें क्रिएट किया जाता है. ऑस्मोसिस जो डेफिशिएंट है वो उतना ही क्रिएट किया जाता है, एंड देन द ब्लड इज गोइंग टू दिस ट्यूब्यूल्स. heparin is present that avoids the blood clotting there, and it is through semi-permeable membranes the waste materials is releases out from it and stored in a tank, and the blood is going again into the patient body. This is what? This is hemodialysis. This is the function of artificial kidney. So this is all about the human beings. In plants, you already studied that through transpiration loss of water takes place, means excess amount of water is releases out from the plant to transpiration to stomata, and the other substances like gums, resins, they are also secreted from some plants through some special type of secretory cells. Okay, so this is all about it, and the gases like carbon dioxide or oxygen. So plants releases oxygen through stomata, and there is not much amount of waste materials present in the plant, because plants use oxygen also for in the respiration process. Plants use carbon dioxide for their photosynthesis. So less amount of excretory materials present in the plant that are used. So this is about the excretory system. This chapter this chapter is completed. Life processes, all the systems we studied about it. You have to do some questions for that. animals.